Hello, and a big welcome back to all my subscribers. And if you're not a subscriber, why not? Push the button. Today, I wanted to go through just some stuff I found in my big box of IC chips. Now, recently I've been looking through this, and I discovered some DS14C89ANs, which you probably aren't familiar with, but they are basically used for serial communications, RS-232 protocol, etc. I'll put a little diagram on the screen, and as you can see, basically it is used to enhance the signal of a serial communication. Now these are quad, each chip is quad, so you need two of them to do 8 bits. And what I've done, and I'll show you, is I'm using this to help with a program that I wrote here. And what it does is it basically takes Arduino A and Arduino B, and they communicate to each other through these two, four chips. So what we've got here is the yellow are output of the chips, which are just going to these LEDs. The other outputs go to the Arduino, which is associated with this set of chips. The blue are cross-connected, so the output of one is to the input of the other ones. For the A, B, C, and D, for each quad chip, and then the green are the output of the Arduino into the chips themselves. Now you can see here basically what they're doing is they're sending strings back and forth from one to the other. So when one finishes transmitting, it transmits to the other one. We can look at this here in the code, where I've just set up the transmit pins and the receive pins, and just a little loop that configures them all, well, set up to configure them all for output, and then a little loop that basically goes into transmit mode. It transmits some lorem ipsum text, just a big long string of stupid text. Then it waits for an acknowledgement from the other one, which you can see here it's getting a transmission from the other one. So when it sends the character, it prints the character to the screen, and when it receives it, it prints the binary equivalent of the character. So basically it's just got a loop for when it's in transmit mode, when it's in receive mode, and then it just outputs the relevant bits to the serial monitor. So here you can see that it's in receive mode, now it's in transmit mode, and the other one is in receive mode. So that's it basically. I mean, the code is effectively the same, it's just one's hello B and the other one's A. This one, the only difference is this one starts out in transmit mode true, and this one starts out in transmit mode false. So this one starts as a receiver, and then they basically just take turns. So that's it for me today. I just wanted to show you, just playing about with some of the electronic chips that I have in a box, and wiring them up and seeing how well they work. Obviously these chips aren't useful for something that is just not even 5 centimeters away from each other. These were meant to enhance the signal and make sure that the signal serial connection over a long distance is good. So it has comparators and things in these chips for the signal. But I just thought it was a little interesting exercise to take these chips and a bit of code to do some transmission between them. So this is sort of raw RS-232, more or less. Anyway, that's it from me. If you like these sort of videos, please like and subscribe and all that jazz, and I'll see you soon. Bye.